Found a TX file in your tax preparation software folder and need to understand what it contains? This is a tax return data file that requires its originating application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and manage these TaxSlayer Pro TX files. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful TX file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. TX files are tax return data files, created by TaxSlayer Pro, a professional tax preparation software used by tax preparers and accounting firms. They contain individual or business tax return information, including taxpayer data, income entries, deductions, credits, and filing status organized for electronic filing or paper return generation. TaxSlayer Pro TX files use a proprietary format, storing structured tax return data fields, mapped to IRS form lines and schedules. The files contain taxpayer identification details, income categorization, adjustment, and deduction entries, credit calculations, and e-file validation data for federal and state returns. The common standard viewer for TX is typically TaxSlayer Pro from TaxSlayer. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows exposes only limited internal information, meaning full interpretation depends on the generating tool. Your first step towards data access, right-click the TX file and select Open With. If TaxSlayer Pro is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. When your TX file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This TX file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error's source. First, opening in TaxSlayer Pro. Launch TaxSlayer Pro and navigate to the Client Management area to locate and open the TX return file. The tax return loads with all entered data forms and calculations accessible for review, editing, and filing. Ensure your TaxSlayer Pro version matches the tax year of the return file. Next, transferring client data. When migrating TX files between TaxSlayer Pro installations, use the software's backup and restore functions to package client data, including all associated return files. Copy the client data directory to the new installation and import through TaxSlayer Pro's data management tools to maintain all return information. Finally, archiving tax returns. After filing, export completed returns to PDF through TaxSlayer Pro's print function for permanent archival. PDF copies of filed returns should be retained according to IRS record retention guidelines. Store TX source files and PDF archives on backed-up secure storage for the required retention period. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.